Hey y'all, and welcome back to another lovely episode of Deera's Way.
Check.
So welcome back to another lovely episode of Deera's Way. And of course, before we even start, you gotta go ahead and subscribe. I'll wait right here. Okay. All right, so today I am making something that I probably made in the past, but I forgot I made it. But I was like, let me just make it again. So today I was craving some pizza. So I'm like, okay, let me go to the store, get all the ingredients. And today I am making pizza. So let me show you what I'm about to use for this recipe. And I am back with all of the lovely ingredients that I'm going to be using for my pizza here today. I wanted to start off with this marinara sauce. So I usually don't go to like the grocery store and get the marinara sauce. I go to like TJ Maxx Home Goods and get the marinara sauce there because they usually have like unique stuff that doesn't have like all of the additives in it that you probably get at the grocery store. No like dyes or anything like that. So I was like, I love this. I love this brand of marinara sauce. So I always get this one when I go to TJ Maxx or Home Goods. Of course, we have to have our pizza crust. I just picked this up at Walmart. You can use any pizza crust that you want. This one I believe is a rectangle. I don't know. I didn't see the circle kind, but that's neither here nor there. Get your non-stick spray. I got my cheese. I have my bell peppers right here. And then I have my chicken and my pepperoni. Let's see if y'all can see that, because last time I put something in the camera, y'all couldn't see nothing. But anyway, so I have this chicken that I've already made and I chopped up earlier. And of course, I just went to the store and got some pepperonis. So I'm hungry. I hope y'all are hungry, and I'm about to get started. I need to start with cutting up my bell peppers first. So that's what I'm about to do.
Roman numeral 7 days, drop it like it's hot. If this world was mine, I'd take your dreams and make them multiply. If this world was mine, I'd take your enemies in front of God. Introduce them to that light, hit them strictly with the fire. Hey, Roman numeral 7 days, drop it like it's hot. If this world was mine, I'd take your dreams and make them multiply. If this world was mine, I'd take your enemies in front of God. Introduce them to that light, hit them strictly with the fire. It's a lie, do your dance, let them watch. She a fan, he a flop, they just wanna kumbaya, nah.
This world concrete, flowers grow. Heartache, she only do what she know. Weekends, get it poppin' on the low. Better days coming for sure.
Woke up today, look at your picture just to get me started. I called you up, but you weren't there, and I was broken hearted.
Baby, it was love, straight close. And I'm with you, everything goes. Coming with that on my soul. Body down, wrist close. Check down, on the way home. This world, concrete, flowers grow. Heartache, she only do what she knows. Weekends, get it poppin' on the low. Better days coming to show. If it was up to me,
see when you wanna see this. I trust you, I love you, I won't waste your time, I turn it off just so I can tell you, I'ma make you say it loud. I'm not even tripping, I won't stress you out. I might even settle down for you, I'ma show you I'm a pro. I'ma take my time and turn it off just so I can tell you.
Okay, so now you've seen me cut up my lovely, vegetables, my bell peppers, the only vegetables that I have on here. So now it's time for me to move on and do the fun part as far as getting my pizza crust out of the dang on can. Y'all know how intense this process is. You gotta tear it off. Then when you twist it, it's gonna pop. So I don't know which way. Oh my God. Okay, there it is. I was about to press it and do all that other stuff, but it did it on its own. So of course I have my pizza pan right here, and I'm about to spray my pizza pan down. So I'm gonna sit this right here for a second. Got my little non-stick spray that I'm gonna spray all over, because of course we don't want no sticking to the pan or nothing like that, and our pizza is gonna fall apart. So there that is. All right, so this thing is ready to come out of here. So let's see. Like I said, this is a rectangle mold, so I don't know how this is gonna turn out on here. All right. Okay. What if it's longer than my pan? Let me throw this away real quick and get this out the way. All right. Ooh, this is a sticky process too. And of course, if you are a professional, you know to use, flour so you can unstick it and do all that stuff. So I am about to, okay, this is easy. I don't want to speak too soon, but it is coming apart. It's coming apart. I feel like it's two of them in here. Maybe I should have read the thing. No, it's not. It's one. It's one. It's rolling out. And it is longer than my pan. But we gonna make do with what we got, y'all. We gonna make do with what we got. We gonna make it enough, right? We gonna make it enough. So we're gonna roll it all out like that. And if it is like a rectangular shape, maybe you can just find a way to kind of like maneuver it around the pizza pan, because that's what I'm about to do. Since this is rectangle, I'm just about to make it a circle, and we gonna do that. All right, just spread it out, spread it out, spread it out. And of course, after that, I'm gonna start adding my ingredients. I'm trying to make it fit the pan, y'all. Trying to make it fit the pan. It's working. It's working. I hope so. I hope so. We making do with what we got, and that is totally fine. It's working. It ain't bad. It ain't bad, y'all. All you gotta do is stretch it out, and it'll fit into the pan. So this is what we looking like now. Y'all really can't see all of that, but this is what we're looking at right now. And since I just stretched it out, child, oh my gosh. Since I just stretched it out, I'm just like fold the longer parts. That way we have a way of developing our crust on the side. You know how y'all be, y'all like stuffed crust cheese pizza or whatever, but we gonna make it like that. We gonna make it look like an actual pizza on the side, on the longer parts that are on this rectangular pizza. What's a little bubble right there? Stretch it out, fold it, fold it, fold it. I'm gonna give y'all a close up in a second. And then I'm gonna start adding my toppings to it. And then in the meantime, I already have my oven set to 400 degrees. So there's that. And make sure you already have your oven ready. That way when you're done doing your pizza, putting your toppings and stuff on it, you can just throw it in the oven. All right. We may do with what we got, okay? All right, I got my little crust going on. Look, y'all, I tried to make it circular, but it ended up going back into a rectangle. It ended up going back to a rectangle shape. but it doesn't look bad at all. Okay. All right, yeah, it went back into a rectangle shape. Y'all can see. All right, I'm just gonna give y'all a review and I'm gonna start putting my toppings on there. And after that, it's going into the oven. As you can see, my pizza right now is fully loaded with all of the toppings that I want to put on there. I got my chicken, my bell peppers, my pepperoni, and my cheese. Now it's time to put it in the oven. I have the oven once again on 400 degrees, and now it's about to go in there for about a good 10 minutes. I'm going to eye it while it's still in there. I'm going to check on it to see if it's to my liking. If it's to my liking, I'm going to take it out. If not, I'm just going to let it go a couple more minutes. So now it's time to put the pizza in the oven. It's looking good. It's looking good. Hey y'all, so time is up. My pizza should be done. Let's see how it turned out. Let's see how we did. Okay. You gotta let all that heat come out first. Hold on. All right. Ooh, it's hot. How am I gonna get this? All right, let me use my other one. Okay, all right. Look at that. Lovely, lovely homemade pizza. Ooh, I'm excited. Let me put it down. It's hot. Of course, don't forget to turn your oven off. You know, you don't want to be leaving it on and something happen or whatever. All right, I'm gonna get my cutting board. That way the pan isn't just on this table. So get my cutting board so it can sit on this. All right, y'all. Okay, pizza is done. As you guys can see, our pizza is done. My first homemade pizza, maybe second, I don't remember. Anyway, is done, it's not burned, ain't nothing going on like that over here. But anyway, so in the meantime, I went ahead and got me some butter because I'm like, I don't want no dry crust. So I got me some butter that I'm gonna put around the crust. Let me see. Yeah, the crust is still puffy. So I'm gonna go ahead and take my butter and put it around the crust just like that. It may take me a minute to do it because, you know, I got this brush probably not working fast enough, but ooh, that looks good. That looks nice. Let me give y'all a close-up. Okay, so here is a close-up. This is my, I wouldn't say garlic butter. I just heated up some butter in the microwave, and I put like a little parsley on it, you know, to make it look a little fancy around there. So yeah, it turned out so pretty. It turned out so good. So good. And if y'all want to make this at home, it's not even expensive at all. I think the crust was probably like $3 or something. And then, you know, y'all can whip up your own toppings as far as, you know, chicken. If you already made some chicken, y'all can just go buy some pepperoni. But yeah, look at that. Fancy, 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 fancy. And of course, if you have butter left over, you can go ahead and, you know, cut the pizza and dip it in the butter. Y'all, look at how this turned out. Turned out really good, really well.
Watching you move, I start to fantasize about the way I'm gonna put it on the ass tonight. So come on and ride shotgun. I got the rose and feel like we can pop some. I see me and you, lost in my groove. Maybe we can deal back the roof and get it on. Then I see your body place from. I like the little thing around your navel, baby. One back, three girls, so won't be. Show your eyes on me. We've been talking since 2 girls.
All right, y'all, as you can see, the pizza turned out lovely. It turned out lovely. It wasn't overcooked, undercooked, or anything like that. It turned out perfect. Perfect for my first time, second time, I don't remember. Anyway, if you want to go ahead and see more of me, you can join me on my mukbang channel, which is called Deera's Dish, and y'all can join me over there and watch me eat the pizza. All right, thank you again for joining me on another lovely episode of Deera's Way, and I will see y'all next time. Bye.